Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to create Outlook account. First, open the Play Store. Now in the search bar, type Microsoft Outlook. Then click on the install button. Wait until the app installs. After installation complete, then tap on open. Click on create new account. Enter your new email address. Click on the next button. Then create a new password. Tap on the next button. Now add some professional details like your birth date and country. Then click on the next. Now add your name and tap on the next button. Let's prove you are human. Press and hold the button. Click the cancel button. Tap on the maybe later. Click on the next. Now click accept. Then click on continue Outlook. That's it. Your new Outlook account is ready to use. Thanks for watching.